Hello and welcome back. In our last video, we showed you how to install WordPress plugins manually from your WordPress dashboard. If you have missed that, no worries, you can watch it by clicking the link here. You will also find the link to it in the description below. Today, we will show you how you can install a WordPress plugin using an FTP server. For the purpose of this video, we will be using FileZilla as the FTP client. Step 1. First, open FileZilla and put in the hostname, FTP username and password. You will get these credentials when you create an FTP in cPanel. We have created a tutorial on how to do just that. You will find the link to it in the description below. Step 2. Once the connection to the FTP server is made, you will need to upload the plugin file. To do it, locate the unzipped plugin file of your choice here in the file name section. For this tutorial, we are using the Gutenberg plugin. Next, double-click on the folder named WP Content. A submenu will pop out. From this menu, open the Plugin subfolder. Then drag and drop the plugin here. FileZilla will automatically upload it to your FTP server. Step 3. Depending on your internet speed, the upload may take some time. Once it is complete, you will see this here. After this is done, you will need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Then go to the plugin section and activate the plugin. Hope you have found this tutorial easy and helpful. In our next video, we will show you how to install a WordPress plugin using WP-CLI. See you there. Have fun learning with us. And if you find this video useful, then please like this video, subscribe and share.